Hi, this is my friend Michael's bike check. I'm gonna start out with the grips. ODI long neck grips, Shark Conspiracy bars, Sputnik Icon stem, S&M pitchforks, Eastern Curb Monkey tire, 2.25, Eastern wheel, 4-wheel, We the People frame, stock, We the People stock cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, Eastern Medusa sprocket, KMC chain, We the People stock seat, Demolition seat clamp. Wait, see Demolition? You can't see it that way. Eastern back rim, back wheel, Odyssey street tire, and I think that's done. Yeah, thank you. Bye.